Say hello to my friends here. Come here, guys. You guys want to say hello? Anyways, welcome to this video. Figured I'd share some knowledge for y'all. I'm out here in Corydon. I'm at the nature reserve. And I wrote some things down today. And I want to drop some knowledge for you in this peaceful atmosphere with my nice little crowd here. So, let's start out with number one. How can your mind be on God when you are constantly obsessive? And I say, Jordan, obsessive about what exactly? Well, whatever you thought of when I was